The secret to my natural hair growth, just one ingredient.
I told you I'm not here to mess around, and you've been acting
all my fans on Facebook, I just want to let you see how my hair looks after washing and conditioning with swab shampoo and conditioner. And guys, the secret to my hair is very simple. I use fermented rice water. I had the texturizer and I used it to remove the texturizer, and my hair became natural and it continues to grow. So guys, since it's growing so thick, I decided to take a break from the fermented rice water because the hair is getting very thick with it and it's really difficult for me to comb sometimes. So if you want to see the secret to this, you have to follow the link to my YouTube channel and you will see how to do the fermented rice water. Look in the comment below to this video. You will get a link to my YouTube channel to show you how to prepare the fermented water and to apply it to your hair for extra thickness and longer hair.